Let's make children's Tylenol and children's ibuprofen. Tylenol, 325 milligrams. Put it in the syringe, squirt the air out, pull up 3 milliliters of water. Cap it, pop it. Dissolves quick. Chocolate syrup, you want to pull up to 10 milliliters. 10 milliliters. 325 milligrams, 3 milliliters of water, 7 milliliters of chocolate syrup. Shake it up. You can use the strawberry too. That is the exact same strength as the children's Tylenol, 162.5 milligrams per 5 milliliters. Children's ibuprofen, 200 milligram ibuprofen. Add 3 milliliters of water. I'll cap it and pop it. It'll dissolve quick. Take your strawberry or chocolate syrup, pull up to 10 milliliters. Shake it until it's uniform. That's 100 milligrams per 5 milliliters. It's the same as the children's ibuprofen. I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one's flashing a peace sign.